In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Make.com. This is a powerful tool for automating your email workflows, making your day-to-day operations run more smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner or an individual looking to streamline your personal tasks, connecting Gmail to Make.com can significantly enhance your productivity. Now let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to head over to Make.com, a versatile automation platform previously known for its capabilities in simplifying digital processes. Once you're on the site, your first task is to create a new scenario. Think of a scenario as a set of predetermined instructions that automate specific tasks for you. Starting a new scenario sets the foundation for the powerful automation you're about to create. Moving on to the next crucial step, it's time to incorporate the Gmail module into your scenario. You'll find a helpful plus sign prominently displayed, which you'll want to click on. In the search bar that appears, type in Gmail to find the module you need. When you see Gmail pop up as a selection, go ahead and click on it to add it to your scenario. This module is the key player in connecting your email to Make.com's automation suite. Within the Gmail module, you have a range of options to choose from, each offering a distinct function to suit your needs. Some of the most common modules include Watch Emails, which monitors incoming messages, Send an Email, allowing you to automate outgoing messages, Create Draft for preparing emails ahead of time, Search Messages, and Download Attachments. These functionalities can be mixed and matched according to your specific requirements. Now we'll focus on creating the actual connection between Gmail and Make.com. Start by clicking on the Create a Connection option, which sets the stage for linking your Gmail account. From here, you will need to log in using your Google account credentials. Choose the Gmail account you want to connect, and make sure you click Allow when prompted. This permission grants Make.com access to your Gmail account, facilitated through Google's OAuth, a secure and widely used authentication protocol. With the connection successfully established, the final step is to put it to the test. Select a module like Watch Emails to begin the testing phase. You'll see a Run Once button. Click on it to initiate a trial run. Now send a test email to yourself and watch as Make.com captures it almost instantly. This confirmation that your email has been successfully monitored by the platform means your connection is operational and ready for further automation tasks. And there you have it. You've learned how to connect Gmail to Make.com, unlocking new levels of efficiency. Whether you're automating simple tasks or complex workflows, your enhanced email functionality is bound to make a difference. Enjoy exploring the myriad of automation possibilities now at your fingertips.